Raining Rose, how can I help you? Morning, Mr. Fox. The fox has arrived. We apologize for interrupting your regular scheduled programming to bring you this exclusive report about the fox. I'm Mary Gojiberry reporting to you live from Raining Rose, the lip balm company, where we've just received an exclusive update from Raining Rose's receptionist, Lippy Balm. Lippy, did you see the fox this morning? I did. And what did he say? That was it?
There he goes!
Mr. Fox! Mr. Fox! The public has a right to know! What does a fox say?
Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. Happy, happy, happy ho. What the fox say? What the fox say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by more? How will you speak to that horse? What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What does the fox say? The secret of the fox.